Welcome back, YouTube creators. Today, we're diving into the top tips and tricks to help your videos go viral. We're talking millions of views, thousands of subscribers, and a whole lot of love from the YouTube algorithm. We're gonna break down the secrets to success on this platform, from crafting eye-catching thumbnails that stop scrollers in their tracks to riding the waves of trending topics. Remember those videos where we gave away thousands of dollars? We're gonna teach you how to get your content seen by as many people as possible. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to transform your channel from zero to hero. Let's do this. First up, let's talk thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first impression, the cover to your book, the movie poster for your masterpiece. It's gotta be good. We're talking bright colors, bold text, and an image that screams, "Click me." Think about it, you're scrolling through a sea of videos. What's gonna make you stop? A boring, blurry image? No way. You want something that pops, something intriguing, something that makes you curious about what's gonna happen next. Spend time on your thumbnails, experiment with different designs, and don't be afraid to go a little crazy. Remember, we're aiming for maximum impact. Next up, we've got titles. Your title is your headline, your chance to grab attention and tell viewers exactly what your video is about. Think of it like this. If your thumbnail is the hook, your title is the reel. You want something catchy, something intriguing, something that makes people want to click and find out more. Don't be afraid to use numbers, ask questions, or even create a little bit of mystery. And remember, always be honest and accurate in your titles. Don't overpromise and underdeliver. Keep it real, keep it engaging, and watch those views climb. Now, let's talk about trends. YouTube is constantly evolving with new trends popping up all the time. Paying attention to what's hot and what's not can make a huge difference in how many people see your videos. Think of it like surfing. You want to catch the right wave at the right time to ride it all the way to the shore. Keep an eye on what's trending on YouTube, what people are talking about on social media, and what's happening in the world around you. Don't be afraid to put your own unique spin on a trend, but make sure it's relevant to your content and your audience. Alright, let's talk about consistency. You can't just upload one amazing video and expect to become a viral sensation overnight. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and most importantly, consistency. Think of it like working out. You're not going to see results from just one trip to the gym. You gotta show up day after day, put in the work, and stay dedicated. The same goes for YouTube. Set a realistic upload schedule that you can stick to, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily if you're feeling ambitious. The key is to be consistent and give your audience something to look forward to. Last but not least, we've got YouTube Shorts. These bite-sized videos are taking the platform by storm, and for good reason. They're short, sweet, and incredibly addictive to watch. Think of Shorts as your chance to experiment, to try new things, and to reach a whole new audience. They're also a great way to promote your longer-form content and drive traffic to your channel. Keep your shorts concise, engaging, and visually appealing. Don't be afraid to get creative and have some fun with it. Thanks for watching. Now you've got the tools and the knowledge to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Remember, creating viral content is all about grabbing attention, keeping people engaged, and delivering value to your viewers. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to have some fun along the way. And most importantly, never give up on your dreams of YouTube stardom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. See you next time.